In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Netlify page not found errors. If your site deploys successfully but still shows a page not found message, the issue is usually related to your published settings, your deployed file structure, or routing behavior in a single page app. The good news is that Netlify gives you the tools to check each of these quickly. Start by logging into your Netlify dashboard and opening the project that's having the problem. Once you're inside the project, go to the configuration area, then open Build and Deploy, and from there head into Build Settings. This is one of the most important places to check, because if the publish directory is wrong, Netlify may deploy files successfully but serve the wrong folder. Now verify that the publish directory matches the actual output folder created by your framework or build tool. For example, many projects generate files into folders like dist, build, or another framework-specific output directory. If this setting points to the wrong location, Netlify may not be able to find the correct entry files for your site. After that, go to your project's Deploys tab. This lets you inspect exactly what was uploaded in the latest deployment. Open your latest production deployment so you can review the result that is currently live. This is useful because sometimes the build finishes without errors, but the final deployed file structure still isn't what you expect. Scroll down below the deploy logs and use the Deploy File Explorer. This gives you a visual way to inspect the published files and folders. Take a careful look at what's sitting at the root of the deployment. You want to confirm that the main site files are in the correct place rather than nested inside an extra folder. In particular, make sure index.html is located at the root level of the published output and not hidden inside a subfolder. If index.html is buried one level too deep, Netlify won't know how to serve your homepage properly, which often leads directly to a page not found error. Finally, verify case sensitivity and check your SPA routing if you're using frameworks like React, Vue, Vite, or Angular. Netlify's servers are case sensitive, so a file or root with mismatched capitalization can work locally but fail once deployed. And if your app uses client-side routing, direct visits to internal URLs may return page not found unless routing is configured correctly for a single-page application. By checking your published directory, inspecting the deployed files, confirming index.html is at the root, and reviewing case sensitivity and SPA routing, you can usually identify the cause of a Netlify page not found error and fix it quickly.